Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate a new Nmax remote. First, gather your essential tools, your existing, functional Nmax remote and the new, blank Nmax remote you wish to program. It is crucial that both devices contain fresh batteries, ensuring stable power throughout the duplication process. This prevents unexpected interruptions and helps guarantee a successful pairing, saving you time and effort later on. To prepare your original remote, bring it within 10 centimeters of the bike's smart key antenna, which is often located near the front fork. Next, turn the main switch to the on position, but do not press the starter button. You should then observe the smart key indicator light flash rapidly for about 5 seconds, confirming the bike is ready to begin a pairing sequence. Now, pick up your new, unprogrammed Nmax remote. While the bike's smart key indicator is still active, hold the new remote directly next to your original, active remote. Press and hold the unlock button on the new remote for approximately 5 seconds. The bike's indicator light should then turn solid for about 3 seconds, signaling successful data transfer. After the programming sequence, it is vital to verify the new remote's functionality. Move away from the bike by about 2 meters, then return and attempt to lock and unlock the scooter using only the newly programmed remote. Confirm that the bike consistently responds to its commands, activating and deactivating as expected. If not, repeat the process from step 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.